Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale ranked. Start by assessing your deck balance, elixir curve, and win condition before each match. Adapt to opponent plays, trade efficiently, and learn rotation timing. Focus on defense to counter-push transitions, understanding chip damage versus all-in pushes, and practice friendly matches to test strategies. Track ladder trends and stay calm under pressure to climb consistently. Watch replays and adjust between games. Mastering core mechanics sets the foundation for ranked success. Learn to count elixir, predict opponent cycles, and bait out key counters before committing. Practice placement windows, kiting, and chip trades to maximize value while minimizing losses. Use replays to identify misplays, then adjust cycle speed or card choices. Emphasize patience in double elixir and calculated risks during overtime to convert small advantages into tower wins. Build decks around a clear win condition and supporting counters that handle air, swarm, and heavy tanks. Aim for a consistent elixir average that suits your playstyle and includes at least one building or group targeting answer. Test card synergies in friendly battles and tweak for meta shifts or common regional decks. Learn when to switch from aggressive pushes to slow control, and practice patience to force favorable trades and punish overcommitments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.